Trezor Model T Wallet App. The pros, the cons. When it comes to crypto security, one name consistently stands out: the Trezor Model T, but most people don't realize just how powerful this device and its companion app really is. So, what makes it special, and what are its downsides? Let's find out. First, the pros. The Trezor Model T is a premium hardware wallet developed by Satoshi Labs, designed to store your cryptocurrencies offline. It supports over 400 coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ERC20 assets, all managed through the Trezor Suite app. The biggest advantage: absolute control. Your private keys never leave the device, meaning even if your computer or phone is hacked, your funds remain safe. The Trezor Suite app acts as a bridge, allowing you to send, receive, and track assets without ever exposing your private data online. Another major pro is the touch screen. Unlike older models, the Model T lets you confirm transactions directly on a device with a color display, adding an extra layer of protection against phishing or malware attacks. Security features include open source firmware, password management, and integration with third-party apps like MetaMask, making it flexible yet trustworthy. You can even use it for staking and managing decentralized apps securely. Now, for the cons. The Trezor Model T isn't cheap. Priced higher than most software wallets, it's an investment in security rather than convenience. Some users also find the setup process slightly technical, especially when restoring from seed phrases. Additionally, while Trezor supports a wide range of assets, it doesn't cover every blockchain. Certain niche or newer tokens might not be available without manual configuration. In summary, the Trezor Model T Wallet app offers world-class protection for your digital assets. It's ideal for serious investors who value privacy, independence, and offline security above all else. If you're holding significant crypto and want peace of mind knowing your funds are shielded from online threats, this combination of hardware and software is hard to beat. Because in crypto, safety isn't optional. It's everything.